Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word cygnine in depth. First, the definition. Cygnine means a fictional or rare term with no standard dictionary meaning. Think of it simply as a mysterious word from fantasy worlds or rare texts. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Cygnine traces back to the Latin word cygnus, meaning swan, and appears scarcely in literature. Over time, it's been used by fantasy authors and rare texts. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use cygnine in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. In the fantasy novel, the land of Cygnine was known for its magical creatures and enchanting forests. Correct example 2. The ancient map showed a hidden region called Cygnine beyond the mountains. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Cygnine my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Cygnine correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Cygnine means a fictional or rare term with no standard dictionary meaning. It comes from the Latin cygnus, meaning swan, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Cygnine down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.